There have been concerns over divestment by multinational companies from Nigeria over the years. The most recent company to announce its intention to exit Nigeria is GlaxoSmithKline, a pharmaceutical company that has operated in Nigeria for the past 51 years. In this report, Yusuf Akogu highlights reasons why these companies close shop and sometimes move to neighboring countries. The report.
No doubt, Nigeria is a very attractive market to invest in Africa due to its large population and demography. But in recent times, many multinational companies have sold their assets and left the country. Notable amongst them are Trustworth, Etisalat, ExxonMobil, Tiger Brand, HSBC and UBS, and many more. Economists are of the views that some companies are leaving Nigeria largely because of volatility in the foreign exchange market. They believe that most companies are finding it very difficult to access foreign currencies to import goods and machineries required for their operations.
Their major raw material for production are purely imported. So when exchange rate is not adding up in terms of what they should do and what the price is based on the limitation, elasticity of demand or price elasticity of the product they are selling, then they have no option other than to close. And in economics, when you're unable to cover your average variable cost, then such organization is advised strictly to close.
A recent announcement by GlaxoSmithKline, the British multinational pharmaceutical and biotechnology company, to end its 51 years existence in the country after the company's first office was opened in Lagos on July 1, 1972, is sending signals that all is not well with the country's business environment.
The environment is not right. All of the things that we are seeing is a function of the environment. Monetary policy is also not helpful. Inflation is eating the value of revenue from people. Their income is getting reduced in the real terms. And more importantly, the value of the cost of importation to Nigeria is also getting really high. So government, we need to take decision, look at what the problem is and start providing solutions one after the other so that Nigeria will be the most desirable place for people to live in.
But the federal government said it is making efforts to stabilize the economy in a way that will attract foreign investors through policies and programs being introduced.
Plans and strategies which I'm not at liberty to share with you means sooner rather than later the speculators should be careful, because we believe the things we're doing, when they come to fruition, may result in significant losses to them.
Analysts want the government to create an enabling environment for multinationals to repatriate proceeds to their home countries after successful business transactions in Nigeria. Yusuf Akogu, Trust Television News, Abuja.